Ever pondered how those colossal structures connecting lands, known as bridges, come into existence? Or why they are so significant to our daily lives? Well, today we delve into the fascinating world of bridge construction. Building a bridge isn't a matter of just stacking stones or welding steel. It's a meticulous process that begins long before the first physical structure is put in place. Firstly, the need for a bridge is identified. This usually arises when there's a body of water, a valley, or another physical barrier that needs to be traversed. The location is then thoroughly surveyed by a team of engineers who study the geological and environmental factors that might affect the bridge's construction and stability. Next comes the design phase. Based on the data collected, the type of bridge is chosen. Remember, not all bridges are alike. They could be arch bridges, beam bridges, cable-stayed bridges, or suspension bridges, each with its unique design and structural requirements. The design must also account for the bridge's anticipated usage, load capacity, and local weather conditions. Once the design gets a nod, it's time for the acquisition of materials. Concrete, steel, and sometimes even wood are sourced based on the bridge's design. The quality of these materials is of utmost importance because the safety of the bridge depends on it. The actual construction begins with the building of foundations or piers. These are the structures that will support the bridge, and they need to be sturdy. The foundation is usually built deep into the ground and sometimes even into the bedrock. After the foundation is set, the substructure or abutments are built. These are the elements that will carry the load of the bridge from the superstructure to the foundation. The superstructure, which includes the deck or the actual surface of the bridge, is then constructed. This could involve placing beams, installing cables, or constructing arches depending on the design of the bridge. Finally, the bridge is finished with the installation of safety elements, such as railings, lighting, and signage. It is then rigorously tested for safety before it is opened to the public. In essence, bridge construction is a complex process that involves careful planning, meticulous design, and rigorous testing. It involves a deep understanding of engineering principles, material science, and environmental considerations. Building a bridge isn't just about constructing a passageway. It's about creating connections, facilitating commerce, and enabling travel. It's about overcoming barriers and creating possibilities. So the next time you cross a bridge, take a moment to appreciate the marvel of engineering you're traversing.